Hi, this is Sara Banta with Accelerated Health Products, and I want to talk to you about the Gentle Detox Kit. This is very much like the Keto Detox Bundle, but it just doesn't have the keto supplement in it. And this is for people that are absolutely not ready to do the ketogenic diet, and I totally understand. But this is a way to slowly detoxify your body, improve your immune system, and really rebuild that gut barrier and that gut to help with all symptoms. I truly believe that most diseases are caused by inflammation and are caused by leaky gut, and this is a way to repair that. So number one is the accelerated silver. People report seeing a difference in circulation, a boost in immune system, boost in cellular energy, and anti-aging effects. This has the proprietary applied vibrational frequency added into it, unlike any other silver on the market. And that helps with the healing ability and enhances the healing ability of the silver over any other silver. Silver in general is known to kill viruses, bacteria, candida, fungus, and all known pathogens in your blood. So you cannot overdose on it. It's super easy to take. You take 2 teaspoons at a time, and you leave it in your mouth for at least a minute and swallow. I personally do it 4 to 7 times a day. I feel a difference in my energy. I feel like it's giving me truly a boost and an anti-aging effect. The second supplement is the Oxalate. The Oxalate is a multivitamin electrolyte drink that tastes great. It has minerals and vitamins in it that truly covers your just basis for overall health. Kids love it and the elderly loves it. Super easy to take. Number 3 is the Lateroflora. This cleans out the bad bugs from the gut, such as Salmonella, E. coli, Candida, etc. And so while you're on ketosis or on the keto, it works even faster to heal the gut, but even without, it's going to go through and clean out those bad bugs. Number 4 is either the Flora Max probiotic or the Restore. I personally recommend taking the Restore if you are choosing between the two. This helps go through the gut and heal leaky gut. This helps heal the holes in your gut that have been caused by toxins and pesticides and sugar and carbs and things that we don't even, glyphosate, the Roundup in our foods that we don't even know we're taking in. So this heals that leaky gut. If you are able to get both, I recommend taking the Ultimate Flora Max once or twice every other day or so. To make that more clear, 2 to 3 pills a week, and you take that on an empty stomach. And the last one is the Accelerated Cellular Detox Powder. This helps soak up all the toxins you're releasing through the Gentle Detox Bundle, and it helps with regularity and bloat and starts cleaning out the whole system from years of buildup. You do about 1 to 3 teaspoons in water. I actually like adding in either lemon juice or apple cider vinegar and a little stevia. It tastes like lemonade or apple juice, and a little ice, and goes down real smoothly. By itself, doesn't taste bad, doesn't taste good, tastes like dirt. So it depends on how sensitive you are to that. If you have any questions, please contact me, Sara Banta, through the website, or Sara at acceleratedhealthproducts.com. Thanks. Thank you for joining us today. Leave a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this, and please be sure to check the description below for any additional information. Please don't hesitate to leave a comment or ask a question, as I'd love to answer as many of those as I possibly can. If there's a particular topic you'd like to hear more about, please share that in the comments below as well. Thanks again for joining us, and hope to see you again soon.